Mahakumbh still remains the Mahapolitical showdown. Remember, Yogi Adityanath government had rejected the NGT report details that there are abnormal levels of fecal bacteria found in the Ganga river which was early in the month of February, and says that that's not true at all. Now, Samna, mouthpiece of the Shiv Sena, of the UBD Sena, has dared Yogi Adityanath. Why not drink Ganga water, it asked, if it is so clean and clear. Yogi Adityanath had said Sangam water, remember, where the main Mahakumbh Mela is happening, saying Sangam water is fit for even drinking. So Samna editorial is asking, why not then drink and take a sip from that Ganga water? NGT basically had flagged that there is high fecal bacteria levels in the Ganga river. Remember, this was from the early weeks of February. Ever since, could there have been addition of that? However, there has been consistent maintenance and cleaning also happening, and that's why Yogi Adityanath government has said he rejects that report. Let's listen in also to what Yogi Adityanath said.
उनकी शुद्धता के जो मानक होते हैं वह दो स्तर पर जांची जाती है, एक तो बीओडी स्तर पर बायोलॉजिकल ऑक्सीजन डिमांड के रूप में और दूसरा डीओ के रूप में डिजॉल्व ऑक्सीजन के रूप में, और इन दोनों के मानक निर्धारित हैं जिसमें बीओडी 3 या उससे कम होना चाहिए और डीओ जो डिजॉल्व ऑक्सीजन की मात्रा है वो 5 से अधिक होनी चाहिए। जल में स्नान करने के लिए जल की जो मात्रा होती है उसमें ये मात्रा इस रूप में होनी चाहिए। और मुझे बताते हुए यहाँ पर मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि उत्तर प्रदेश जो पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड है वो लगातार वहाँ पे जल की मॉनिटरिंग करता है, उसकी गुणवत्ता को बनाए रखने के लिए कार्य कर रहा है। और आज की जो उनकी रिपोर्ट है संगम की, कि संगम और उसके आगे पीछे जो बीओडी है वो 3 या उससे कम है और डिजॉल्व ऑक्सीजन की मात्रा ये 8 और 9 से अधिक पाई जा रही है। यानी संगम का जल स्नान करने लायक भी है और आचमन करने लायक भी है। जो लोग इसका दुष्प्रचार कर रहे हैं वे उन सबको इस बात को देखना चाहिए।
सम्मेलनाचं नाव
Vidya joins me live for the latest on that. Vidya, good morning. Clearly, this has led to a lot of showdown. Tell me more about what the Samna editorial has said.
Well, the Samna editorial is very critical of the fact that, they speak about how there are people who cannot even get water. They don't have access to potable water. And this is the very government which now claims that, this water is pure for everyone to, wash away their sins. So, comparing the two, it says that, what the Modi-led government, the Yogi-led government is doing is not right. And that's why, there needs to be steps that have to be taken. Of course, they are very clear in this fact that, the administration has done nothing. Continuing with the attack that we have seen from the Maha Vikas Aghadi and the India Alliance, like the other day we had seen, Mamata Banerjee also speak critical about the arrangements being made. It's on the similar lines that the Samna also has put out its editorial now.
All right, Vidya, thank you very much for tracking all the latest on this. Clearly, a huge showdown continues over the Kumbh.